Namaste students. Today we are going to deal with the new lesson of algebra, that is linear equations in one variable. In the last class I taught you about the algebraic expressions and identities, right? I hope you all have understood all those identities and doing good in your academics. Okay. Now let us go with the lesson linear equations in one variable. To understand this, already we have the knowledge of algebraic expressions and equations, isn't it? In 7th standard, I taught you and you studied the algebraic expressions and equations, right? You have seen many algebraic expressions, right? Many algebraic expressions in the sense you studied the polynomials, right? And in 8th standard also, in the last lesson, you studied algebraic expressions and those polynomials you have studied, right? So in that, we come across the polynomials, in that monomial, binomial, trinomial. Yes, those are having one term, two terms and three terms, right? Yes. So now let us go with the lesson linear equations in one variable. Yes, linear equations in one variable. So I was saying you about the algebraic expressions, right? Algebraic expressions. We are dealing with the lesson linear equations in one variable. Now I am saying you algebraic expressions. What is the relation between these algebraic expressions and linear equations? You know already. So the algebraic expressions, if you take some examples, if it is algebraic expression 3x plus 7 is there. Yes. If I am taking x squared, it is also an algebraic expression. If it is 2 by 3x, it is an algebraic expression. Or you can take xy plus 8, right? Or you may take a plus b plus c. Yes, it may be 8x squared y plus xy plus 9. So etc. All these are what? These are some algebraic expressions, isn't it? And also we are studying equations in 7th standard, right? So some examples for equations, what you can take equations. Yes, 5x is equals to 10. Yes, y is equals to minus 5. Yes, 2 by 9 y is equals to 18. 5x plus 8 is equals to minus 30, etc. These are what? These are called as the equations, right? What is the difference between the algebraic expressions and the equations? Or what is the relation between algebraic expressions and equations? If you observe carefully, equations involve algebraic expressions. Yes? So, in this lesson, we are going to deal completely with the equations that involves the algebraic expressions. So, without algebraic expressions, equations are not because the lesson is what? Linear equations in one variable. Yes, it is one variable. If you observe the algebraic expressions, here we have come to know that some expressions are having one variable and some other expressions are having two or three variables. Yes, so the expressions which are having only one variable. Yes, some expressions are having only one variable, some are having two or three variables. And in this equations, if you see 5x is equals to 10, y is equals to minus 5, 2 by 9, y is equals to 18, 5x plus 8 is equals to minus 30, and some other examples I want to take. X plus y is equals to 15, 2x minus y is equals to 23. See, x plus y is equals to 15, 2x minus y is equals to 23 is there. What is the difference between last two equations and other four equations? What is the difference? It is 5x is equals to 10, y is equals to minus 5, 2 by 9, y is equals to 18. All these are having only one variable in them, right? X is one variable, y is 1, and here also x is one variable. But if you observe this, x and y, these are having two variables. So such equations are called as equations with one variable, and these are equations with two variables. Yes? Are you getting? These are having equations. These are the equations with only one variable, and these are the equations which are having two variables. Okay, we'll consider some more equations. Yes? If I take some more equations as a square bc plus 9 is equals to 10 if it is there, or if it is x square plus 9 is equals to 15 and 3y minus x is equals to 70. Okay, so in this, if you see, and one more, 9y minus 5 is equals to 20. A square bc plus 9 is equals to 10, x square plus 9 is equals to 15, 3y minus x is equals to 17, and 9y minus 5 is equals to 20. Here if you observe, it is having three variables, it is having one variable, and this equation is having two variables, and here it is having only one variable. Yes? So now let us go completely with the lesson linear equation in one variable. So what is the meaning of? Here we are seeing these are the equations and one variable we understood. Then what is the meaning of this linear? Linear is, yes, linear in the sense the expressions or the equations whose variable, yes, here it is having the variable. If the highest power of the variable appearing in the expression or the equation is 1, then we call such equation as linear equation. Yes, see, 9y minus 5 is equals to 20 is there. What is the power of the variable? The variable is y here. Its power is 1. If nothing is there, means it is 1. 9y minus 5. Its y is there as a variable. Its power is 1. Therefore, it is what? It is the linear equation in one variable. It is linear because the highest power of the variable is 1. Yes, it is having only one variable. Therefore, it is called as linear equation in one variable. And here if you see, 3y minus x is equals to 17 is there. 3y minus x is equals to 17. Do you call this as the linear equation in one variable? Is it one variable? 18. Only one variable is there. Its power is what? Its power is 1. 3 minus x is equals to 9. 3 minus x is equals to 9. Its power is 1. Therefore, these are what? These are linear equations in one variable. Are you getting? Okay. So, the definition that you can write from the textbook. Okay? What is that? What is linear equation in one variable? What is that? What is the definition? An equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1 is called as the linear equation. An equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1. It is called as the linear equation. Getting? Okay. So now, here everywhere I am using the equation, an equation. Yes? What is this equation? What is the definition or what is the meaning of this equation? What is that? If you are taking 2x minus 9 is equals to 11. 2x minus 9 is equals to 11. Is it an equation? Yes, of course it is an equation. 2x minus 9 is equals to 11. It is an equation. And also we learned that it is what? It is a linear equation. Why it is linear? Because its power is 1. Okay. So what is an equation? See, if it is having equal sign, if it is having in the sense what? It is what it is. I'll say. Equation, it is an equality. Equation, it is an equality with the variables. It is an equality with the variables in the sense. An algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is there. Algebraic expressions involving equal sign. Algebraic expressions. 2x minus 9 is an algebraic expression. 11 is also an algebraic expression. These are involving an equal sign are called as what? It is called as an equation. Yes, it is nothing but an equation is an equality. The name itself says equality. Equation, it is equality. So it should have, what it should have? The algebraic expression should contain equality sign. Getting? Yes, we'll write the definition. An algebraic expression, an algebraic expression involving equal sign is called an equation. Yes, an algebraic expression involving equal sign is called an equation. Yes, whichever the variables are there or whichever the algebraic expressions are there, if they are connected by algebraic expressions, if they are connected by equal sign, then that is called as an equation. Okay. Now, we'll take this 2x minus 9 is equals to 11. Here if you observe, on the left side, on the right side of equality sign, 11 is there, and on the left side of the equal sign, 2x minus 9 is there. Do you observe? So, this is called as the RHS, that is right hand side, and this is called as the LHS. So, on LHS, on left hand side of the equality sign or equal sign, 2x minus 9 is there, and on right side, 11 is there. Yes? So, now, what is this x? X is a variable, right? X is a variable. Here, variable in the sense, it is not having any fixed value. It is not having any fixed value. Yes? So, that we have to find. Whichever value due to x, Okay. Now it is an equation. So here there is some solution for this equation. If I give the value of x, for which value x, that LHS will be equal to RHS. So if for some value, for some certain value, the value of x, whatever you take, will be equal to 11. That 2 into that some value minus 9 is equals to 11. If it comes, if it gives, then LHS will be equal to RHS. Then that x is equals to whatever value you are taking is called as the solution of the equation. Yes, it is called as the solution of the equation. Are you getting? We'll go for the solution of the equations. How to find or how to solve the linear equations in one variable. Yes, in 7th standard you learned how to solve the equations. The same will be followed, but a little bit extended part is there, and some applications are there which are too interesting in this linear equations in one variable. Okay. So now let us go with some examples how to get the solution. See, an algebraic equation is an equality involving variables. So what is the meaning of the equation? An algebraic equation is an equality. It is an equality, you see, involving variables. Yes. So now we'll go for how to solve an equation or the solution of the equation. How to find the solution of the equation. That solution is nothing but finding the value of the variable given in the equation. Yes. See, for solving, sometimes it will be given like solve an equation, solve the given equation, or find the solution of the equation, or sometimes it will be asked find the root of the equation. All the three meanings are same. What you have to find? You have to find the value of the variable. Yes. Now let us take. We take x plus 3 is equals to 11 is there. We will take simple equation. Then we go for the complex one. X plus 3 is equals to 11 is given. Here we have to find the solution of the equation. What is the solution of the equation? It is nothing but finding the value of the variable. Now how to solve? See, x plus 3 is equals to 11 is there. We have to find the value of x. Then keep x as it is equals to 11 is there. On right side 11 is there. On left side x plus c is there. So to find the value of x, keep x in the same place. Transpose 3 to where? Transpose 3 to RHS. Why to transpose 3? Because we need to find the value of x, value of the variable. So if you transpose 3, what it will become? Plus 3 will become minus 3. Because this we have studied in 7th standard itself, so no need to repeat it again. Yes. So if you transpose, plus 3 will become minus 3. So x is equals to 11 minus 3 is what? 11 minus 3 is 8. Then what is the solution of the equation? The solution of the equation is 8. Yes. How to verify this? How to verify? It's easy. 8. X plus 3 is there. What is the value of x now? Value of x is 8. So 8 plus 3 is equals to 11. 11 is equals to 11. Therefore, 8 is the solution of the equation. If LHS is equals to RHS, then the equation is satisfied. The equation is satisfied in the sense it is balanced. LHS is equals to RHS means it is balanced. Getting? Yes. We'll take one more example. 2x plus 5 is equals to, it is 15. 2x plus 5 is equals to 15 is there. So we have to find the value of the x. Right? To find the value of the x, here 2x is there. With x, its coefficient is 2. So we should not transpose 2 directly. See, 2x, I am writing 2x is equals to LHS is equals to RHS. If LHS is equals to RHS, then we say that x is equals to 27 or 27 is the solution of the equation. Sometimes you people may write 18 is the solution of the equation. No, it's not. Even question is what? On RHS 18 is there. So if LHS also gives us 18, then by which value you got the value of the value as 18? By 27. Yes. So x is equals to 27 is the solution of the equation. Yes. I hope you all have understood this. Here we have considered that the equation involving one side variable and another side only number. Yes, in next class we will deal with some other examples how to solve the equations. Solving an equation, it is too easy if you concentrate on transposing. Transposition, if you concentrate, if it is transpose, if from one side to another side, if it is having positive, if it is plus, when you transpose it will become minus. If it is minus, when you transpose it will become plus. If it is multiplied, if you transpose it will become divided by. If it is in the case of denominator, or if it is in the denominator, or if it is divided, when you transpose it will become multiplied, or it will come to the place of numerator. Yes. In the next class, we will solve some other